Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you something that I made with a Makey Makey and an Amazon box. I call it the Natendo Arcade System. So yeah, it's a little box and it has buttons on the top and you just plug it into your computer. It's really easy. All you have to do is plug it into your computer, open up your favorite game that has the controls of the arrow keys and the space bar. And then all you have to do is just hold the sides and push the buttons. It's very simple and it's pretty easy to make. The circuitry is just the Makey Makey and crocodile clips connected to tinfoil. And then you can see here the crocodile clips connect to the buttons which stick out at the top of the panel. And then there's also the cable that connects to your computer. Then you just open up your favorite game and get playing. It was pretty easy to make. All I used was the Makey Makey, cardboard, and tape. And then you just draw whatever you want on the design, and there you go. You have a Natendo Arcade System. So, yeah, that's all for now. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coding videos.